In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Gmail SMTP server. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the account where you want to configure sending. Look at the top right corner of the Gmail page and click the Setup gear icon. A quick settings panel will open. From there, click See All Settings so you can access the full configuration options. Once you are on the settings page, find the row of tabs across the top and select Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail manages connected accounts and sending options, including the feature that lets you send messages using another email address. Now locate the Send Mail As section. In that area, click the option that says Add another email address. A small window or pop-up will appear asking for details about the address you want to add. Enter your name the way you want it to appear to recipients, such as a full name or a business name. Then enter the email address you want to send from. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, because this address will be used for verification and for outgoing mail. Next, you will be prompted to enter the SMTP server information. This is the outgoing mail server that Gmail will use to send messages on behalf of that address. Carefully type the SMTP server value exactly as required for your provider. Accuracy is important, because even a small typo can prevent Gmail from connecting successfully. If you have multiple server options from your email provider, use the one specifically listed for SMTP sending. When you are ready, click Add Account. Gmail will then send a verification message to the email address you are adding. Go to that inbox, open the verification email, and find the verification code. Return to Gmail, enter the verification code in the field provided, and submit it to confirm ownership of the address. If you do not see the message right away, check spam or junk folders and wait a minute for delivery. After the code is accepted, the address is added and ready to use for sending. That covers everything you need to know.